Welcome! We are doing Algebra 1, linear equations. Last time we did simple linear equations, which was linear equations 1. Now, these linear equations are linear equations 2 because we are looking at different types of linear equations which are used in shapes. Now, we use linear equations in shapes when we do not know the figure and we want to find out the width of a shape or the length of a shape. We use linear equations to figure out the problem. So here, the shapes we are going to use are rectangles and squares. There are two shapes here. The rectangle is the width given as an equation, x take away 1, and the length given as x plus 2. Then we have a square by the side. It has all sides that are equal. So one side is x and the other side is x because it's a square. Now, the question reads, the area of the rectangle shown exceeds the area of the square by 2 square centimeters. And it says find x. Now, formula for area is length times width. The length is the longest side on the shape and the width is the shortest side. So, we are going to write the formula for area for the rectangle, which is length times width. Our length is x plus 2 and our width is x take away 1. So we are going to multiply the two together for area. So we're going to say open bracket, x take away 1 close bracket, then open bracket, x plus 2 close bracket. Right, that's the area for the rectangle. It's equal to, it says it exceeds the area of the square by 2 square centimeters. So we are going to look at the square, and area of the square is length times length. So it becomes x times x, which is x open bracket, x close bracket. Then it exceeds. It means it goes over. So when it exceeds, we use a plus sign to explain that, by 2 square centimeters. So we say plus 2. So our equation now, after forming the equation, it becomes open bracket x minus 1 close bracket, open bracket x plus 2 close bracket is equal to x open bracket x close bracket plus 2. So that is our equation. So we have the area of the rectangle on the left, and after the equal sign we have the area of the square plus 2, which shows how it exceeds the area of the rectangle. Now we go to multiply out this bracket. X times x gives us x squared plus x times 2 gives us 2x. Negative 1 times x gives us negative x. Negative 1 times 2 gives us negative 2, which is equal to x times x gives us x squared plus 2. Now, we take the like terms, all the x to the left side of the equation, and then all the numbers to the right side of the equation, we group them. So it becomes x squared, take away x squared from the right side, and then plus 2x take away x, which is equal to 2. Then we take the negative 2 from the left side and becomes plus 2. So it will be x squared take away x squared gives us 0. 2x minus x gives us x, which is equal to 2 plus 2 gives us 4. So x is 4 centimeters. That is our final answer. Now we look at number 2. We have two shapes. We have the question, the area of the square exceeds the area of the rectangle by 13 square meters. Find y. So we are going to draw our shapes. The square has all sides equal, so it's y on the one side and y on the other side. Then the rectangle, we have the length as y plus 1 and the width as y take away 3. Now, Formula for area is always for the square length times length and for the rectangle length times width. So we are going to say y, open bracket, y, close bracket, is equal to, we go to the rectangle, open bracket, y plus 1, close bracket, then open bracket, y take away 3, close bracket. So that's our length times width. Then it exceeds the area of the rectangle by 13 square meters, so we say plus 13. Then we multiply out the brackets. Y times y gives us y squared is equal to y times y is y squared. Y times negative 3 is negative 3y. 1 times y gives us y, and 1 times negative 3 gives us negative 3. Then we say plus 13. Then now we take all the letters, put them on the left, and all the numbers on the right of the equal sign. So we say y squared, then we take the positive y on the right side and it becomes negative y squared. Then we take the negative 3y, it becomes plus 3y, and the positive y, it becomes minus y, which is equal to, we say minus 3 plus 13, which gives us 10. Then we say y squared minus y squared is 0, so 3y take away y is 2y equals 10. Now we divide by the coefficient of y, so it becomes 2y divided by 2 equals to 10 divided by 2. What you do on the left, you also do on the right. So 2 into 2 goes once, and 2 into 2 goes once. 2 into 2 goes once, and 2 into 10 goes 5. So y is equal to 5 meters. So that's our answer. Now we go to the final one, number 3. Now, we've got our two shapes, a square and a rectangle. The square is x and x. And the rectangle, the length is 2, open bracket, x plus 4, close bracket. And the width is open bracket, x, take away 2, close bracket. The question reads, the area of the square is half the area of the rectangle. Find x. So the area of the square is x, open bracket, x, close bracket, equals to the area of the rectangle, which is 2, open bracket, x plus 4, close bracket, multiplied by open bracket, x, take away 2, close bracket. But because we say the area of the square is half the area of the rectangle, we divide this area by 2. So 2 into 2 goes 1, and 2 into 2 goes 1. So then x times x becomes x squared is equal to open bracket x plus 4 close bracket and open bracket x take away 2 close bracket. So it becomes x squared is equal to, we multiply out the brackets, x times x is x squared, x times negative 2 is negative 2x, plus 4 times x is plus 4x, and positive 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. X squared is equal to, we collect like terms, x squared, then we say minus 2x plus 4x is plus 2x, take away 8. We take all the x terms to the left, and we say x squared, take away x squared is equal to 0. Then we take the negative 8, we put it on the left, it becomes a positive 8. It is equal to 2x. So 8 is equal to 2x. We divide by the coefficient of x, which is 2. So we divide 8 by 2 and 2x by 2. So it becomes 2 into 2, 1. 2 into 8, 4. 2 into 2, 1. 2 into 2, 1. 4 is equal to x. Therefore, x is equal to 4. That was linear equations 2. We were learning to use linear equations in shapes. So I hope you understood and you found the calculations easy. Any questions? Go to the comments down below and write your questions. Any topic you want to be explained or to be thoughts, please let me know in the comment section below. Have a wonderful day.